Hello friends! In this lesson we will add a button to reset our game. Firstly, let's open our HTML file and add a div with ID reset and the same text. Let's add some styling. Displays before board styling will be fine for it. Set width and height. Also, we need a border. To place the button on top of the board, let's add flex direction to the wrapper. Now we can see at least two problems. First, we need some space between the button and the board, and second, we need to center the button's text. To solve the first problem, we can add margins, but I think it would be better if our container controls the positioning of the elements. Let's set the gap property to do it, 20 for example. To center the caption, we can use alignment or flex. I prefer flex. Justify content center and align items center. And now let's add hover and press effect. Box shadow will be good here. And the same for active button. But let's make the shadow inner. Let's see what we have now. Great! That's it for styling. Now we need to add functionality to the button. Let's add reset function to our wrapper function. Firstly, we need to reset isRunning flag to false. Next, we need to reinitialize the field data. Let's do it by using map method. But to do this, we need to change variable definition from const to let. Anyway, we will need it in the future. After resetting the field data, we need to reset attributes of the cells. Let's use for each for this. We also need nested for each to iterate over the cells. And now we need to add the closed class to each cell. And also remove the bump class. The function to reset is done. But we don't have reset button inside our wrapper function. We want to use reset function outside wrapper. So let's return it. Okay, now let's define a variable for our reset button, like we did for the boards div. Our function returns the reset function, so let's store it. And now we can connect it to event listener to call it when we click on the button. Let's check how it works. It seems to be working correctly. Great! And we can stop now. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!